Welcome to qnawire.
Okay, so we know the frequency is equal to 1 over 2 pi times square root g over L. And we know the unit for g, which is acceleration of gravity, is meter per second squared. And the dimension formula should be equal to L over t squared, okay? Because L is length and length has a unit meter. T is the time period and time period's unit is second. So therefore, the unit for time period squared should be second squared. So if we plug in back to the equation, we'll have frequency is equal to 2 pi times square root L over t squared and then over L, which will give us 1 over 2 pi times square root L over t squared times 1 over L. As you can tell, L and L can be cancelled out. So therefore, we have frequency is equal to 1 over 2 pi square root, not square root, my bad, just simply 1 over t. Which means that the dimension formula for the frequency is 1 over t. And unit for it is second to the power of -1, okay? Which means that the frequency of a pendulum is dimensionally correct. And this is the answer for this question.